So let's dive in and talk about Ubuntu. What exactly is Ubuntu? Well, it's a popular Linux distribution known for its user-friendliness, regular updates, strong community support, and an extensive software repository. These features make it an excellent choice for beginners who are new to the world of Linux. All right, now that we know what Ubuntu is, let's get started with it. First, you'll need to download Ubuntu from the official website. After that, you'll create installation media, usually a USB drive. Then, you'll install the system on your computer. Once installed, you'll go through some initial setup steps like updating the system and customizing it to your preferences. Moving on, let's talk about why Ubuntu is so beginner-friendly. One of the main reasons is its easy installation process. Plus, it has an intuitive user interface that makes navigation a breeze. And let's not forget the vast availability of software, which is a huge advantage for new Linux users. Finally, let's address some common issues that beginners might encounter. For instance, you might face Wi-Fi problems or screen resolution issues. Finding software can also be a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, Ubuntu's strong community support can help you troubleshoot and resolve these problems quickly. Let's dive into the broader Ubuntu ecosystem. Ubuntu isn't just for desktops. It also includes server editions, IoT platforms, and cloud services. This diversity makes Ubuntu a versatile choice for various needs, from personal use to enterprise solutions. One of the greatest strengths of Ubuntu is that it's free and open source. This means you have the freedom to use, modify, and distribute it as you see fit. It's all about giving power to the users and fostering a collaborative community. Ubuntu benefits from regular updates, ensuring that you always have the latest security patches and access to new features. These updates help keep your system secure and up to date with the latest advancements in technology. LTS, or long-term support versions, offer 5 years of support, making them ideal for stability. Strong community support. The large and active Ubuntu community provides ample resources and assistance for users of all levels. Variety of desktop environments. Ubuntu offers various flavors with different desktop environments like GNOME, KDE Plasma, XFCE, and LXQT to cater to diverse user preferences. Extensive software repository. Ubuntu boasts a vast software library accessible through the apt package manager and the user-friendly Ubuntu Software Center. Snap packages. Support for Snap packages enables easy installation of the latest applications without compatibility concerns. Ubuntu is designed with a focus on ease of use, making it an ideal choice for those who are new to Linux. One of the biggest hurdles for newcomers to Linux can be the installation process. However, Ubuntu offers a simple and user-friendly installer that guides you through every step. Ubuntu's popularity among beginners isn't just by chance. Several features make it particularly appealing for those new to Linux. Ubuntu is more than just an operating system. It's part of a broader ecosystem that includes cloud services, Internet of Things, IoT, platforms, and enterprise solutions. This beginner's guide encourages readers to try Ubuntu, highlighting its ease of use, extensive features, and strong community support. The detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips aim to make the transition to Linux seamless for new users.